everyone, as promised, I am back with the video on hair conditioners. If you haven't watched my previous video on hair shampoos, I suggest you watch that because this video is going to make so much sense with that in context. I'll add the link to the video somewhere over here. Before we move on to the video itself, as always, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't already. It is a big motivation push for me and it is completely free of charge. So with that video in context, whatever shampoos I mentioned in the video have their respective counterpart conditioners. So you can use any of those conditioners in coordination with the shampoos. I think apart from the anti-dandruff shampoos, all other shampoos have their counterpart conditioners. In this video, I'm going to mention some conditioners, not conditioners slash like masks. So conditioner and mask are a lot similar. Basically, a mask is a much more concentrated and stronger version of a conditioner. I like using masks instead of conditioners because I think I find it much more useful, especially because my hair is very dry and is treatmented. I like to give them that extra push of pamper, and that's why I prefer masks over conditioners. I'm going to mention some masks which almost all hair types can use and they work amazingly for every hair type. Without further ado, let's move into it. The first mask I have is from Extenso Care. This is the original version, the original Extenso Care, not the sulfate-free version of it. You get the sulfate-free version for this as well. So this is one of my all-time favorite masks. It is a bit thicker. So if you see, it's like a cream. It's like a proper cream and it smells amazing. I tell you, it smells so good. It's like a proper cream, and that's why I feel it's a lot more conditioning than a conditioner. It's very thick and it gives you a very good amount of hydration, especially if your hair is very dry and brittle like mine. I think this is one you would definitely want to try. Moving on to the next conditioner, next mask. I always call it a conditioner because I use it as a conditioner, not a mask. The second mask is from, no big surprises here, is from Mythic Oil. So I just love this range of shampoo, conditioner and serums. I'll get to that later. So this is the one I like from Mythic Oil, and this too I use as a moisturizing conditioner and not a mask. I apply it as a conditioner. You can see how much of it I've already used. There's hardly any left in it. This too smells very good. In terms of consistency, it is not as thick as the Extenso one, but it is quite thick in comparison to a conditioner. So yes, a lot of hydration in this one as well. And the best part of this conditioner is that any skin type, any hair type can use this conditioner. You cannot go wrong with this conditioner. If you have any doubt and you're not sure which one to get anything from the Mythic Oil range and you are good to go. Moving on to the next hair conditioner slash mask, it is the L'Oreal Nourishing Hair Mask. This is the yellow version mask, and the cream itself is also a tinted yellow in color. It's also quite thick, like the Extenso one. This one also smells amazing, and this one too, like the Extenso one, I would recommend for highly damaged and straightened or treatmented hair because they are very thick and they're very, very hydrating. So if you're going to try it, if you have a normal hair and still find no big damages and you still want to try it, yes, definitely try it, but a smaller quantity probably, because a lot of conditioning on your scalp can lead to dryness. Just be a bit careful about that. That when you're using a very high, strong conditioning product, just stay away from the scalp. Make sure it doesn't get so much on the scalp as it gets on the hair, because these are meant basically for hair and not so much for the scalp. The next mask which I have in my list is the Plum Mega Moisturizing Mask. This is a relatively newer launch in comparison to the other. So this mask particularly, you'll have to apply and keep it on your hair for a good 15-20 minutes before you wash it away. But then it is also a very good mask. It gives a very good pleasant smell to your hair, especially if you have a normal hair type. If your hair is not treatmented, then this is a good mask to move towards. If you have treatmented hair like me, then I would suggest the L'Oreal Extenso mask as well as the L'Oreal Nourishing mask. The Mythic Hair mask can be used for all hair types. If you're confused and you don't know what to get, go and get the Mythic Oil hair mask. It will work wonders for all hair types. Alright, so that were masks which I use as a conditioner. Now I will tell you masks which I use as a mask. I know it's complicating, right? But yeah, so these are the things which work for me, and that's why I'm suggesting this for you. The first one is the L'Oreal Hair Spa. This is a proper spa mask, so I use it as a mask, not as a conditioner. And so I wash my hair and probably condition it a bit, and sometimes I don't even condition it, only and only when I'm using a mask like this. Otherwise, I always condition my hair. So after I wash my hair with probably a more hydrating shampoo and not an anti-dandruff shampoo, I then move with the mask and keep it and apply it all over my hair as well as my scalp, both my hair and the scalp. The other mask I do not tend to use over my scalp, just the hair and not even covering most of the hair, just the longer washing of the hair. So this one is these two masks are the only one which I apply on my scalp, and this one smells amazing. This two I have already hit the pan, it's like zero, like hardly one time use cup remaining. It smells so good. So this is one of those hair spas which most of the salons use. It's the basic one. They then use a certain kind of concentrate depending upon the requirement of your hair and mix it with the hair mask. You need not necessarily use that. You can just use the hair mask as it is. Apply it over your hair. A good amount of the mask, a really good amount of the mask. Apply it over your hair evenly. Apply it on your scalp. Give a good massage. Ask your friends, your parents, your siblings, your boyfriends, your husbands to give you a good massage with this. Or you can do the same for others. So this is a very good hair spa which you can get done at your home. You need not pay so much. And this is very affordable for the quantity. It's like $600 for 490 grams of the product. And if you go get a hair spa outside, it's going to cost you at least $1,000 for one hair spa. And this will go a long time. So yeah, definitely recommend using this. This is a very good at-home spa you can do. This is proper mask. Second one is from Schwarzkopf. It is also a spa. This one. This too is a very good quantity. You will get around 500 grams, 500 ml of product for 600 rupees. This too is an amazing mask. This one also smells very nice. This is a new packet. I have not put it. I'm not opening it now. Basically, since I finished this one, so I ordered another one. Now I remember. So this too is a very good mask. If you're like me, you get bored using the same product, you can switch from one to another. But yeah, these are the two masks which I use properly as a mask, and these two, the same method I use, apply on my hair and my scalp, have a good massage, cover my hair with a towel, a warm towel, and let it stay there for 45 minutes to 1 hour, and then just wash it with water, not using any shampoo, just water. These two I wash off just with water because I have already washed my hair prior to this with a good shampoo and hydrated shampoo. Yeah, so that's that. Alright, so that was masks. Now the interesting part, serums. First one is from Matrix. It is the Matrix Deep Smoothing Serum. So this one is, it's very small, very light in scent, doesn't have much of a scent, and then even the serum is quite runny. If you can see, it's quite runny. It's like water. So this is good for normal natural probably hair type which is not gone a lot of damage, and there's not a lot of treatment being done, a lot of coloring done. So for regular use, this is a very good serum. It's very nourishing as well, and it's not heavily scented. So that's a good thing with this serum. Second one is also a very popular serum. I think almost everybody have heard of this serum. It is L'Oreal Total Repair 5 Serum. This too is a very runny serum. So see, is extremely runny. It's just like water. This is more scented than the other one. This has a light pleasant scent to it. So this one is also very good for normal hair type. Alright, moving on to the serums which I recommend for damaged / treatmented hair. The first one is the one I've always used and always been using. Is again from the same range. It is the Mythic Oil Serum. I think this is my third bottle. I think I just love this series, the shampoo, the conditioner, the mask, the serum. So this one is a bit more higher end, and you see the consistency is a bit thicker than the other. And this too has a very nice smell, the Mythic Oil smell to it. Not completely unscented, but then yes, What I like specifically about this is that this is oil based. A lot of serum in the market, probably the ones I mentioned previously also, are all silicone based. This is oil based. So that is one thing I absolutely love about this serum. And don't judge it by the consistency, even though it is not as thick as the high-end serums, the proper salon serums. This one works amazingly, just as well as those ones would, and this is probably even half the price. What you would want to do is probably use a more quantity of it and use smaller segments, and then you can good quantity of the serum. This is my go-to serum any day, anytime. The next serum. I have a love-hate relationship with this serum because honestly, this is the most loved serum. People would be always going gaga over this serum, and it worked for me. I'm not saying it did not work for me. It's just like for the price, I expected a bit more. Don't hate me for this. I know you would have other experience. I'm just sharing my experience. I just expected a bit more from this serum. Unfortunately, it did not meet my expectation, but nevertheless, it's a great serum, and that is why it is on my list. It is the Moroccan oil. It's called the Moroccan oil. It's a serum, but it's called the Moroccan oil. And this is a much thicker serum, and it's a bit more yellow in color. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, it's a bit more yellow in color. It smells amazing. It's a very nice serum in comparison to the first two. This is definitely much better. Obviously, for the price point also is at much more highly priced. So it is much better than the previously mentioned first two. But in comparison with the next one, which I'm going to mention, the next one is the Kerastase. This is from Kerastase. I'm not sure if you get it online. I get it from my salon. Most of the salons will have it. This Kerastase serum is amazing. It's probably, I think the price point, these are almost the same, but if you ask me which one is better, definitely this one. That's why I said that I was disappointed with Moroccan oil, because I first tried this one. I've been using this one. When I almost ran out of this is when I ordered this. So I kind of had the same expectation with Moroccan oil in comparison to the Kerastase. This is the Elixir Altan. So I kind of had the same expectation for Moroccan oil as well. I may be wrong, but for me, definitely this is much superior than this one. When you use this one, you can actually smell the coconut oil in it. So it's that good. It's amazing. If you have pigmented hair and you're willing to spend around the same amount of money, I would recommend you use it. It's just like this is a bit harder to get hands on, because I think you have to get it from a salon, and you will not probably get it online. I am not sure. Probably I'll check on that, and I'll mention it in my description box if I get a link. But yes, if you are willing to spend so much, this is the one I would recommend. So my closing comments. The one I always prefer is one, the Mythic oil, because at the price point what it delivers is amazing. Secondly is the Kerastase one. It is a bit more expensive, but yes, the quality which it delivers and the way it actually applies on my hair and then changes the texture of the hair immediately is awesome. So my top two picks for serums would definitely be this. Oh, both of them are gold and yellow. Alright, so that was all about serums and masks. So conditioners are probably not in the list because I use masks and conditioners. But just let me know what you think, what works for you. Let me know in the comment section below, and until next time, bye bye.